use the color red, and ना यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि you can use red color, you can't use other colors. You can use any colors, but it's all about your creativity. What kind of creativity you have in mind? What is the look that you have thought? I'm just using some colors according to my ideas, and you'll see how they come up finally. Right, so that is very important. जब आप इस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं, it is very important for you to think कि you turn your face like this, so you all can see I'm first putting the color. बहुत extra color नहीं लेंगे because we also don't want it to then start mixing up या फिर skin को ख़राब कर दे या फिर सब जगह गिर जाए. So अगर आपको blend भी करना है तो make sure that you're taking the color in such a way that आपकी blending या आपका काम easily होता रहे. It's a very important thing in this kind of a look. Turn this side. ऐसे लुक में बहुत ज़रूरी होता है आपके लिए हर स्टेप को फिनिश करके सिमेट्री चेक करके फिर दूसरे स्टेप पे जाना. आप कभी भी एक लुक कर दे, एक आइज़ को पूरा कर दे और उसके बाद आपकी सिमेट्री ना बैठ पाए, उसमें क्या होता है फिर आपका पूरा जो लुक है वो आर्टिस्टिकली डिसबैलेंस्ड हो जाएगा. इट्स लाइक मेकिंग अ पेंटिंग और अ डिज़ाइन. इट इज़ नथिंग टू डू विद ब्यूटी और द फीचर्स ऑफ द मॉडल. सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर योर पेंटिंग हैज़ टू डेवलप इन अ वेरी सिमेट्रिकल मैनर, in the manner that you have thought. If your idea is to make both eyes different, I can understand, but have a clear picture in your head. अगर आपके दिमाग में ये clear नहीं है कि आप करने क्या वाले हैं, you won't get the real thing, right? So, okay, now I'm going to add a little bit more color. मैंने पहली बार में नहीं add किया because I want the drama to also remain and I want the color at the right place to give this depth. Turn this side, please. Perfect. And this kind of a look, you need to move around a lot more. You need to also ask cooperation from your model to turn her face many times, however tiring it is. So yes, it's going to be tiring for the model. There's a lot we are going to do in this. So remember. Okay, now we'll add some more colors and we'll keep on increasing it. Now I'm going to add a blue. And all these colors I'm using from the palette in the kit, which has 83 eyeshadows. It's Infinite Colors palette and it has a lot of shine, shimmer, metallic shimmer and matte colors. So now I've been using all the matte colors from there. Remember, if you are using a vibrant accent point, अगर आप कुछ ऐसे कलर्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं जो कि एक दूसरे के साथ काफ़ी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है या ट्रायडिक है. सो दीज आर ट्रायडिक कलर्स. as we teach you in the course, these two colors, blue and red, both are triadic. That means they're primary colors. So be very careful while using them. And when you mix them, they will give you a third color, the secondary color. So have the idea in mind about the color scheme. जब आप mix करेंगे तो आपको क्या color मिलेगा, how it's going to end up, ये सब चीज़ें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. So I think in the course, the color theory will help you very well here to understand that what is happening. That is why I believe in all my artists knowing very much in detail about the mixing of colors. Remember, in this we are definitely going larger than life, and it is not that you have to maintain the color at a certain place. We'll keep on building. We'll keep on building. So you have to see how it's building. It's very important. इसमें मैं Forever 52 का liquid chrome color यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Now chrome colors are something which give you a nice. Sucha, can you close your eyes please? You'll be more comfortable. Chrome colors आपको दो colors का आभास देते हैं. Means when you put them, you will in one way you will see gold, one way you will see orange or something like that. So these chrome colors give you a very beautiful look. You have to plan it accordingly, so you will know that it will not shine the same way. It is going to give you different colors, so keep that idea in mind. So choose the colors, both the colors that show in that color accordingly. Most important thing with this kind of a look, you have to be very planned, very gentle. Don't hurry up, don't try to rush. You won't get the effect. Keep on looking how it's developing. Sometimes when you're doing something according to an idea in your head, after doing a little bit, you will have something else in your head. You will feel like, oh, I can do this. या फिर ये color ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. I can add this. So all of that can be done. It's okay. It is a painting. It is your work. It's your baby. For an artist, a painting on a paper, generally my painting sometimes even develops in months, right? So you don't have to rush. Yes, it's a human. You can't make her sit for months for the look, but give yourself a little breather and then keep developing it. So a lot of love is required when you're creating something like this. Very important to be patient and love your creation. Basically, enjoy what you're doing. Now we'll use some colors on our lower lash line. So Suchitra, you can look a little up. That's it. The blending at the right place is very important. I'm using a bright orange here. So अगर आप नोटिस करें, मैंने एक बार भी बड़ा ब्रश यूज़ नहीं किया है. छोटे ब्रश के साथ धीरे धीरे उसको प्लेस करते जाएं और एक साथ बहुत सारा एरिया कवर करने की कोशिश ना करें, वो फिर ब्लेंडिंग या फिर प्लेसमेंट गलत हो जाएगा. किसी भी इस तरीके के लुक में, पेंटिंग में अगर आपका प्लेसमेंट गलत हो जाता है, सो यू विल लूज़ द मैजिक, यू विल लूज़ द ड्रामा और यू विल लूज़ द you know the theme that you're trying to create. It's very important to have the theme in place. So next thing, I want to give her a light color eyeliner. I'm not using a white, I'm using a skin color from PSC. यहाँ पे आप काजल white भी use कर सकते if you want. You can use bronze or silver also. It looks nice. जब आप आँखों के अंदर लाइट कलर का काजल देते हैं, the most important thing that you need to keep in mind is that पलकों पे बहुत सारा ना आ जाए, वो finishing अच्छी नहीं लगती है. So try to do it in a very smooth manner. अगर उसके बाद शेडो थोड़ा सा डिस्पर्स होता है या आपकी फिंगर से, सो प्लीज़ करेक्ट इट राइट देन, बाद में वो पैची हो जाएगा. डू इट सॉफ्टली सो दैट द मॉडल डजंट फील अनकम्फर्टेबल. आर यू ओके सुचित्रा? यू फीलिंग कंफर्टेबल?
I'm sleepy. Your hands are really light.
That is the test that the pressure is fine. Yeah. So if anybody wants to find out if the model is comfortable or not, please ask them if they are sleepy. They should be sleepy. That's the test. सुचित्रा, जस्ट लुक अप. जस्ट आप आँख के अंदर काजल देने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे प्रेस करिए, डोंट पुल, और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे लाइट हैंडेडली इसको बिल्ड करिए. प्लीज़ डोंट पुश टू मच.